A Carthage man is injured in a crash on US 60. He overturns a tire truck he was driving. I'm Shannon Becker, KOAM News Now. Walleye Road, US 60, early Monday morning. Corporal Braden Vaught of the Missouri State Highway Patrol tells us the 51-year-old driver from Carthage crested a hill, and in front of him, someone was turning left and waiting in traffic. Locked up his brakes, went off the side of the road, overcorrecting and overturning. He suffered minor injuries. Transported to Cox Monette. Click the bit link for updated information. It's a breaking news story we brought you early Monday in Newton County. I'm Shannon Becker, KOAM News Now, Joplin News First.